Alright boys, new setting here, so bear with me with the weird background. We're gonna watch a reaction. This is popping off everywhere, is ChatGPT or all these different AI things. People are trying to see if they can make money with them, and of course, in the Forex world, it's no different. People trying to use some sort of scammy bullshit thing to make money, and let's see if it's working. So my first impression is that these ChatGPT robots, they're not going to work in the manner because it's essentially a search tool that then aggregates different results into creating one new item for you that it can give to you in a nice, neat package. So unless there's something online that already tells you, let's say if we're making a robot in this example that we're going to be doing here, unless there's already a robot that works, that's profitable, that it can then grab and drag and drop and put you into a nice, neat bit of code for you. So let's say there's a robot that's created that, you know, uses RSI and moving averages or some bullshit like this. It needs to find that and then match that with other things that might be profitable and then give you something that is actually profitable. But there's no way of it testing to see if it's actually working in the market or not. It would have to be completely based off of the user's wording in the search results, basically. So it would be searching the web for if people are saying that this is actually working or not. And if people are saying it's working, then more people are going to buy into it. And it's the whole idea of if something works in the Forex market, it won't work for long because everyone will be using it. So if something is great, gets released to the public, it's going to be trash eventually. So that's my prediction. Let's dive into MambaFX. Of course, I love this guy, as you guys know. Big ol' fucking hoot every time we watch him.
I want to test ChatGPT a little bit. Can you actually use this to become a better Forex trader?
ChatGPT. AI's ability to write almost anything.
So the way he worded that there, could you use it to be a better Forex trader? I think this might be possible. You might be able to use ChatGPT to create sort of scripts that could help you understand the code quicker or source something in a faster manner, similar to a Google search that would then teach you something faster.
ChatGPT as an AI system may pose ethical risks to users who are unaware of how the technology works.
ChatGPT could wipe out his job too.
Create Forex scalping bot. Let's see. Wow. Okay. This is pretty crazy, actually.
Yeah, and I believe what he's seeing is just going to be a bunch of garbage. It'll be a bot that does something, but it won't be a profitable bot. It'll be something that's a moving average cross or something like that. That's my prediction.
Not only is AI the motherfucking future, but the future is motherfucking AI. Now, a lot of people don't want to hear that. A lot of people are scared. A lot of people don't realize what AI
sounds like some bullshit fucking... I don't even know what that means, dude. Wait.
AI. Now, a lot of people don't want to hear that. A lot of people are future, but the future is motherfucking AI. Now, a lot of people
I don't know what that means.
A lot of people are scared. A lot of people don't realize what AI really is.
That's one of those things that you say it sounds smart, but it really just means nothing.
It's capable of and how much of the future it's going to be. Now, I want you to think back to 15 to 20 years ago, okay? The internet was coming around and everybody was terrified. What is this? This is never gonna work. I don't want to use the internet. I want to use this big old brick pager. I want to call like that. I don't want to be able to do all these different things that are coming out. People were scared. The amount of money that came after, right? Or should I say, the amount of opportunities that came with the internet was unreal. It's gonna be the
Yeah, it's the same logic that, you know, you can do the same thing with any new technology, crypto, things like that. With crypto right now, nobody's really creating anything, but it's the same idea in the web. Nobody was creating anything in the web originally until they did create things.
The same thing with AI. There's going to
be
so many opportunities to make money, and all you got to do is be prepared, because anytime...
This is essentially the stage of AI where nothing's going to be useful. It's just a really cool, fun toy. That's my opinion.
Anytime we have innovations, anytime the world changes because of one thing, there's nothing but opportunity that comes with it. Nothing but opportunity. Now, while AI might be dangerous one day and there could be evil things done with AI, wouldn't you say there's very, very evil things done with the internet as well? Everything that comes with good comes with a little bit of evil as well. That doesn't mean that you cannot make insane amounts of money from it. So in today's video, I'm going to see and I'm going to test, can AI really make you a better Forex trader? And where are we going with this whole AI thing in the sense of trading? Sit back, buckle up, man. It's going to be a great video. Watch the entire thing through. If not, then you're literally a bitch. And yeah, just hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And let's get into
do the things, whatever.
the video.
Who cares? Do what you want.
AI is much greater than the the danger of nuclear warheads by a lot.
So what I want to do in today's video is I want to test ChatGPT a little bit. I'm going to talk to it and I want to see if it...
Someone in the comment section below fucking write down, like, so everyone's scared of AI. Why? Why is everyone scared of AI? Like, what's the danger? Why is AI more dangerous than nuclear warheads, as fucking CEO of tweeters there just said? What's his name? Elon Musk? Yeah, that guy.
It can actually produce and give me a hopefully very well scripted all around.
I've honestly not even used ChatGPT yet, just because I'm so firmly believe that it's going to do nothing in terms of, it's essentially you need to know what you're doing already in order to make use of it. That's the opinion. Is like, you can't just go in and be like, hey, make me a website. You need to already know how to make a website, and it can just code something for you faster than you can take bits of the script and drag and drop it around so it's faster. That's my opinion on the whole thing. I think it's garbage product currently.
Forex strategy. Can you actually use this to become a better Forex trader? Do you guys still have excuses, or can you simply go to ChatGPT and learn what you need to learn? That's what we're going to find out. So let's go ahead and start with this motherfucker.
Was that a new tattoo on him? What is this tattoo? There's a new tattoo? Dude, it looks like crap. Looks like something his kid drew on him.
Hello, how can I help you today? Let's try something simple, something easy. Oh, not Mambas. No. Who? MambaFX. Just something simple. Man, I don't. Okay, here we go. Do you know who MambaFX is?
It's just gonna drag the. He doesn't know.
Nah, they know who. They just playing. It knows who I am. It's just playing right now. Watch. He's a Forex trader. This will ring a bell. Doing a lot of thinking right now. You know what? That's okay. It knows who I am like that because everybody knows who I am. But it's working with a lot of people right now. It's having a little bit of hard time distinguishing. Who's talking.
Dude, this guy's fucking funny, man.
To it right now, but it knows. So we'll just move forward. All right. So let's get serious for a second, man. Can you explain Forex trading? Okay, here we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Forex trading, short for foreign exchange trading.
We don't need
buying
this.
And selling of currencies with the goal of making profit. It's very.
So this is what I was breaking down, where you can get information quicker. That's a Google search, simple as that, right? I think you're gonna be able to search and be like, give me some code that tells me how to signal that there's a moving average cross, right? And that's going to be then able to be drag and dropped into your actual code. So it's going to be a faster Google search, so you don't have to search through like Stack Overflow, something like that, right?
Very true. The foreign exchange market is the largest financial market in the world with an average daily trading volume of over 5 trillion. Shit. It's insane, but it is true. I'll just ring my goddamn doorbell. The value of currency being bought is determined by the value of the currency being sold. Yada, yada, yada. If you guys want to read this, you can read it. But we're going to move forward. We want to get into some in-depth stuff. So we want to get to some in-depth stuff and get a little bit deeper than that, okay? And what's a good trading strategy for GBP, JPY? Come on, that's basic. That's easy. There are many different.
See, this is gonna be extremely generic, and you're gonna have to refine it even further. A good trading strategy. The good doesn't mean profitable, right? So it needs to be really, really refined. You need to be able to search better. And this is the whole idea. I have an IT background. I have a coding background. And essentially being a well-read coder, like a good coder, means you're being able to Google search better than the average person. You're able to put together pieces of information into scripts of code better than the average person. You don't actually memorize everything. You just Google things, right? And this way of Googling of what he's doing, what is a good trading strategy, is a bad way of Googling. He's clearly not in the same network of having the ability of how to search something, right?
Different trading strategies that can be used for the GBP, JPY currency pair. And what may work well for one trader may not work well for another. However,
you give it a generic question, it gives you a generic response. You need to ask it something very, very specific. So you need to ask it something like, what is a strategy, like what is an EA that will print me a signal when there's a moving average cross, right?
Some strategies that traders commonly use for the GBP JPY pair include a trend following strategy. I like the second one because that's how I trade. A
See,
breakout.
exactly what I'm saying is it's giving you a list of different good strategies. Good strategies are common strategies. Common strategies are not profitable strategies. Good, they're then using the word good to mean something that's common.
Strategy. I like that. This strategy involves identifying key levels of support resistance. Okay, I like that. Position trading, get out of here with that. I'm not trading that. Trend following / breakout, combining it though could be something. You know what I'm saying? So
it looks like a Google search put into a proper structure. That's all it is.
As of right now, it's giving us a little bit of examples.
Nice, neat box of what you would look for in a Google search, right? That's all that is, right? If you searched in Google saying, hey, what are the different strategies that you could use to trade with, right? Boom, there you go. There's a list.
The Forex and the different ways to trade Forex. So it's a good start. Now we're going to go from here. We're going to go ahead and ask, even though it's still typing, it's important to have risk management, all that good stuff. Yes, absolutely. Now,
generic.
Oh, somebody getting mad. Hold on a second.
This is going to be some sort of joke, I'm sure.
Fucker, motherfucker. Crazy. What's a good...
What? I thought that was going to be something funny, man. That was just literally someone at his door. They used his real name.
Breakout strategy. Trading GBP, JPY. Just put it.
There you go. So you're getting slightly more specific. Okay, so what's a good breakout strategy? So again, good doesn't mean profitable. It just means something that's common, right? That's going to be see when they're using good, it's going to be the most common thing that they can find online. So that's going to be the main differentiator that you're going to need to look for when you're using a robot like this. Is that you need wording that's going to be able to find profitable strategies. And even if you type in what's a profitable breakout trading strategy, not necessarily going to give you a profitable breakout trading strategy. It's going to give you something that somebody else told you was profitable.
Like that. Okay, so a breakout strategy for trading GBP/JPY in the Forex market involves identifying key levels of support and resistance and then placing trades when the price breaks through one of those levels. This can be done using technical analysis tools.
There we go. So we got some sort of education breakdown from what a breakout strategy is, right?
Tools such as trend lines.
Skip this.
Okay, let's see if we get a little bit more in depth here. Just get, what's a scalping pattern for breakouts? Now it's going to go over what's scalping. Scalping is a short term.
Again, it's teaching you what these words are, right?
Trading strategy that involves taking advantage.
We need to find some way of making actual code
of small price movements.
So you would need to say, hey, give me some meta quotes for code that will tell me how to identify a breakout in a scalping strategy.
Market one scalp taking a direction or trade in that direction of the breakout, the trader waits for the price to reverse. Now this is crazy. I've never done nothing like that. Okay, I've gotten faked out and lost, but I've never traded fake outs purposely. Can you explain more? Let's see. False breakouts in the market.
Okay, so more education. We don't care about this. I want to see if he can actually get to some code.
So this is true.
What's the best time? He's just asking it questions. I'm really hoping okay, what does he say? It's horrible.
Absolutely horrible. I am probably the worst reader ever, but I'm going to continue to try this for you guys. The London session typically...
No. We don't want to read this. This is bullshit.
Maybe, but it is telling me stop losses. It's very glitchy. Tight stop losses. TR as a stop loss.
Okay, this is pissing me off. I thought he was going to be able to create some code here. He's literally just Googling things for you. Mamba, man, Mamba. You have way better videos than this. This is bullshit.
Yes. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about me talking to the AI, getting it to help me create a scalping bot, and then giving you guys access to the scalping bot 100% free and just testing it out and seeing how it does? See if the AI can act.
All right, guys. I am actually a programmer, and I can program bots. I know how to do the code. If you guys want, ping Mamba and I can help him use this ChatGPT to create that bot for him and help him do it and make sure that things are structured properly. I will do that for free. I don't give a shit. I just want to see this work. That'd be really cool. I want to see some code go down. If you guys want, send this video to him. Yeah, guys, so I have some really interesting ideas of how I think we could actually question this bot to create code. I actually do know how the actual structure of the code needs to be laid out, the syntax and whatnot. I have created bots that are not good enough that I want to release, let's say. They're slightly profitable, but they're shit in reality. I need to keep working on my skills. But the coding side, I understand perfectly fine. So if you guys want, get me in touch with Mamba. I'll help him to make sure that the code is working properly. And we'll leave it at that. Thanks. See you guys next time.